The sunlight hitting your face right now left the sun 8 minutes and 20 seconds ago. You are not seeing the sun as it is. You are seeing it as it was 8 minutes ago. And if the sun vanished at this exact moment, if it just stopped existing, you would have no idea. For another 8 minutes and 20 seconds, the sky would still be blue. You would still feel warm. Birds would still be singing. And then the light would stop. I'm Michael, a space researcher. This is what the speed of light actually means, not as a number, but as something that changes how you see every object in the sky. Light is the fastest thing in the universe. Nothing moves faster at 300,000 kilometers per second. It covers distances that seem instantaneous on Earth. Switch on a lamp across the room, and the light reaches your eyes in roughly 10 nanoseconds. So fast, it seems instant, but space is not a room. Space is 150 million kilometers of vacuum between Earth and the Sun at 300,000 kilometers per second. Covering that distance takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds. This means everything you see in the sky is the past. Every object you look at, you are seeing as it was when the light left it, not as it is right now. The moon, 1.3 seconds in the past. Mars at its closest, 3 minutes in the past. Jupiter, between 35 and 52 minutes in the past. The nearest star beyond our sun, Proxima Centauri, 4.2 years in the past. When astronomers look at distant galaxies through the James Webb Space Telescope, they are seeing those galaxies as they were billions of years ago. Looking into deep space is literally looking back in time. The further you look, the older the image. The stars you see tonight, some of them are already dead. Betelgeuse, the red star, in the shoulder of Orion, is 700 light years away. The light reaching your eyes tonight left Betelgeuse in roughly the year 1325. Betelgeuse is one of the most unstable, most massive stars we know of. It is expected to explode as a supernova at some point. It could be in 1,000 years. It could be tomorrow. We do not know. What we do know is this: if Betelgeuse exploded yesterday, we would not find out for 700 years. The explosion is already happening somewhere in space and time. The news just has not reached us yet. Some of the stars you see on a clear night no longer exist. The light reaching your eyes is the last message from something that is already gone. You are looking at ghosts. This is not a metaphor, it is physics. The delay of light has real consequences for human space exploration. When NASA's Perseverance rover is operating on Mars, commands sent from Earth take between 3 and 24 minutes to arrive, depending on where Earth and Mars are in their orbits. The signal travels at the speed of light. There is no way to make it faster. This means the rover cannot be driven in real time from Earth. Commands are pre-programmed. Engineers send instructions. Wait for the signal to arrive. Wait for the response to come back, and only then know what happened. One exchange can take nearly an hour. A crew on Mars would face the same delay for any communication with home. A conversation would be impossible. Every message would be a letter, not a phone call. If a medical emergency happened on Mars, the crew would be dealing with it alone for at least 6 minutes before Earth even knew about it. The speed of light, which seems impossibly fast in everyday life, becomes one of the hardest engineering problems in deep space exploration. Tonight, when you look at the sky, you are not looking at what is. You are looking at a mosaic of what was. Every object at a different point in its own past. The light from each one carrying a message that left home long before it arrived at your eyes. The sun, 8 minutes ago. The moon, just over a second ago. The stars, years, decades, centuries, millennia ago. Every night sky is a time machine. You have been using it your whole life without realizing it.